If you have ever watched footage of deep-sea animals, you probably thought they looked strange, maybe even a little creepy. The deeper you dive into the ocean, the weirder the creatures seem to get. We'll get to the reason for that in a minute. First, let's view an example of two animals, both of the same species except they dwell in different ocean depths. Here are two images of the giant squid. The first was found nearer to the ocean's surface, while the second was thought to have lived at a much greater depth. A deceased giant squid is shown for the second example, as it is very difficult to find a live image or video of such a creature due to the increasing ocean pressure and other limitations. Why is it so much larger than the first? Well, that is a result of deep-sea gigantism. Probably the main reason for the phenomenon is the colder temperatures deep below the ocean surface. As the temperature decreases, the animal's metabolism slows down, allowing them to go off less food for an increased duration. Similarly, a slower metabolic rate will increase the lifespan of such creatures and decrease the rate of growth, allowing them to steadily gain more mass. Another factor is the lack of predators for some larger animals or the ease of evading them for others. Larger animals are also better at adapting to the drastic increase in ocean pressure and can travel farther in search of food. Not related to deep-sea gigantism is simply the difference in certain creatures' hunting styles. Remember, little to no light is far below the ocean's surface, so some animals create their own light to find prey, also known as bioluminescence. Take the anglerfish, for example, which has a lantern or fishing rod above its head, or the vampire squid, whose tentacles emit a bioluminescent mucus. Additionally, there is the owlfish, which uses its unusually large eyes to aid in finding prey at greater depths of the ocean. Now, for some animals, their methods of finding prey may not have too much of a factor in their appearance. Let's take a look at a Greenland shark. You may be wondering why it seems so prehistoric. That's because it is. Greenland sharks are estimated to live up to 500 years old. As mentioned before, living at such great depths in the ocean can significantly increase the lifespan of certain creatures, this shark being one of them. Now, when you consider all of these factors, the increasing effects of the ocean as you descend, the lack of light and the increasing pressure, it does make sense that these animals look the way they do. If you think about it, a strange animal would only reside in a strange location.